Every Premier League manager reacts match day 30.
I certainly won't be watching that game back when I get home tonight. I'd rather watch my testicles being lowered into a food blender.
Everton not being able to beat us is actually getting funny now. First I played the kids against them in the FA Cup. Tonight I benched Salah, started Minamino, put Gomez at left back and brought Mad Dog Lovren on for the last 15 minutes. And they still couldn't win. Hilarious.
Am I worried about relegation? Not at all. Have you seen how bad Bournemouth and West Ham are?
Am I worried about missing out on the Champions League? Not at all. Have you seen how bad Spurs, Man United and Arsenal are?
What inspired my team today? I'm not sure. Though before the game I did tell the lads if they didn't play well, the new Saudi owners would probably chop their hands off and murder their families. Maybe that inspired them.
The referees made a poor decision to send my player off. It was nearly as bad a decision as Andy Carroll's beard. Tragic.
Did you see Paul Pogba and Bruno both collapse in the box? I suggest the entire Man United squad are all tested for COVID-19.
Paul Pogba, what a run for the penalty. Eric Dyer almost ended up in the stands again.
This Bournemouth side I've put together in the Premier League would struggle to beat the Bournemouth side I put together in League 2.
A great win. Next stop Anfield. It will be the best reception I get from the Liverpool fans in a decade.
I agree with Neil Maupay. Arsenal are lacking humility. Just like Guendouzi is lacking a good haircut and Bernd Leno is lacking an ACL.
Arsenal fans, the bad news is we lost. The good news is David Luiz has just signed a new deal.
I liked my job much better when everybody had coronavirus.
I've told the lads not to get carried away with today's win. We'd have had a harder game against Norwich Ladies, which is who I thought we were playing when I saw Todd Cantwell in the tunnel.
Today's game? Who cares about today's game? I want to talk about us beating Liverpool some more. Ben Chilwell, what a goal, okay. That means we can overinflate his transfer fee even more than we did with Harry Maguire.
We're shagged. Totally shagged. In fact, I've seen things on RedTube that are less shagged than us.
I tell you now, Chelsea won't finish fourth after that win. Not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin. What was your fan reaction after watching Everton versus Liverpool? And what would Guardiola and Deitch have said after their game on Monday night? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.